In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a complex project or just organizing your tasks, filtering your data in Smartsheet can be a real game changer, helping to quickly find and focus on the information you need most. Let's dive right in. First, you're going to head over to your Smartsheet dashboard and open the specific sheet that you want to focus on. This is a great starting point because all your data is right in front of you and you're ready to start narrowing it down to exactly what you need. Next, keep your eyes on the toolbar at the top. You'll see a little funnel icon, which is your filter tool. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up the filter panel where all the magic happens. You have the option to either create a new filter or select one that's already been set up. If it's your first time, click on New Filter to set up a fresh one. In the filter window that appears, you can give your filter a specific name. This part is optional, but if you plan on using several filters, naming them can help you keep everything organized and easily accessible for future use. Now it's time to choose the column you'd like to filter. This could be anything relevant to what you need, perhaps its status or due date depending on the nature of your project. This step is crucial because selecting the right column means that your filter is going to target exactly what you're interested in sorting. Once you've selected your column, you'll set the condition for filtering. This is where you specify how you want to filter the information within that column. For example, you might use conditions such as is, contains, or is not blank. Each of these options will narrow down your information in different ways depending on what you're looking for. Then enter the specific value you're filtering for. Maybe you're looking for tasks that are in progress or something that aligns with what you need to check on at the moment. Entering this value is critical to ensuring you're pulling in the most relevant data. Once you've set up your conditions, go ahead and click Apply. Smartsheet will now work its magic and voila! Your sheet will only display the rows that meet your filter criteria. You can easily modify your view by turning the filter on or off simply by clicking on it again. Finally, if you ever need to remove the filter, just click on the trash can icon. This action will delete the filter, restoring your sheet to its original state and showing all your data again. And that's how you filter in Smartsheet. With these steps, you can streamline your data and ensure that you're always focusing on what truly matters to your project. If this was helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tips like this. Thanks for watching.